Merong first time para sa lahat. At this year, sumali kami for the first time sa MOCAF. That's Modern and Contemporary Art Fair. Happening at Marquis BGC. Sa tawid lang to literal ng bahay namin. Happening on July 11, 12, and 13. Tama ba, Michelle? From 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. at Marquis Events Place. No? So ano yung makikita nyo doon sa booth namin? First is, syempre, yung mga nirelease namin ng mga playing cards. And as well as, meron rin tayong i-release na limited quantities ng Paper Royals sa collector set. No? So, if you miss out on this, this is a perfect time para mag-catch up doon sa mga na-release namin as well as yung mga sa figures namin. Bukod doon, magdadala kami, magre-release rin kami ng mga hoodies natin. This is the Run It hoodie. Designed by Valvi, no? So, meron rin tayong dadalhin. And, meron kaming meron kaming sneak peek na ilalagay doon sa event para doon sa mga mahilig sa art. Ito na yung pinakamalaking project natin for next year. And we will be giving you a sneak peek. So, hindi naman to life-changing, no? Pero I'm sure pag nakita nyo to in person, matutuwa kayo. So, magkita-kita tayo, MOCAF, July 11, 12, and 13 at Marquis Events Place, BGC, Taguig City. Yun lang.